How to use the Move command in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to use the Move command in AutoCAD. The Move command in AutoCAD allows you to change the location of selected objects in the drawing area. You can use this command by selecting the objects to move, specifying a base point and a second point, or entering a displacement value. Click the Home tab. Modify panel. Then, the Move command. Or type M in the command line and press Enter. Select which objects to move. Specifies the start point for the move. Or choose the displacement option to specify a relative distance and direction. The 2 points you specify define a vector that indicates how far from the original the copied objects are to be placed and in what direction. In combination with the first point, specifies a vector that indicates how far, and in what direction, the selected objects are moved. If you press Enter to accept the use first point as displacement value, the first point is interpreted as a relative x, y, z displacement. For example, if you specify 2, 3 for the base point and press Enter at the next prompt, the objects move 2 units in the x direction and 3 units in the y direction from their current position.